Hi guys, welcome back to my sewing room. So I hope you guys enjoyed your holidays and celebrated Christmas and New Year really well. Um, Something happened at our New Year's dinner. We burned some candles and tried to make it look like really nice and festive, and somehow, I don't know how, a candle fell and we burnt a piece of our tablecloth. So I thought, yeah, it's not so bad. I can fix that. And then I was checking the scraps on in my sewing room, and I had no perfectly matching scrap. So at the end, I've just decided to sew and repair using patchwork to repair my tablecloth. But this will now no longer be like a nice festive tablecloth, something I'll just use for everyday use, so it's not that bad if you think about it. But I just wanted to share our tablecloth and show you guys what I've done. I'm using insert seams to repair this, so I thought I would just share, because insert seams, oh god, that is so hard to say. Insert seams are a little bit hard to sew, and I also struggle with it. I know I can do it, but I end up struggling with it a lot. So let's start. So as you can see here, I've just finished my insert seam and it's not perfect. I had cut well and tried to sew as well as possible, and the corners looked really nice, but as you can see, my seam allowance my seam allowance is not symmetrical, but I don't mind it because it's going to be an everyday use tablecloth, so it's going to be okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.